This week we're making carrot cake baked oats. So we're starting by grating a carrot. I have a machine that has a grating function, but of course you can just hand grate it completely fine. That is going to be the first start of our process. So I'm just going to remove my grated carrot to another bowl so it is ready to go. I might have done a bit too much here actually. Now all my dry ingredients is going into my mixing bowl, and then I'm going to combine all my wet ingredients into another bowl. So then we're just going to add the wet to the dry and give it a good mix. Once this is very well mixed and nicely combined, then we're going to fold the grated carrot in, and that is how easy this is. I have used a 20 by 30 baking dish and it is lined. So now we're just popping it into the baking dish. I use a palette knife to make sure it's nice and smooth. Now it is time to bake in the oven. I start with 30 minutes and then check it. And then after 30 minutes, then you can assess whether it needs longer or not. I always like to preheat my oats when I'm actually eating them, so I would rather undercook them a little bit and then know that I'm going to be heating them up when I go to eat them. So anyone else that is egg-free, this is what I use to make my flax eggs, so it's egg-free. Okay, it is ready and looking delicious and smelling great. Nice and golden, and if you touch it, it's firm to touch. Enjoy making this and follow for more high protein recipes. This one packs a great protein punch to start your day. Enjoy.